Happy Sunday, everyone. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Now, if this is of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I'd like to talk to you about some of the options available. Now, today I want to go over the most expensive home listed for sale in Pinellas County with water views this week. We have a mammoth two-story 4 bedroom, 5.5 bath, 5,801 square foot home in St. Petersburg, listed with Keller Williams St. Pete Realty, and Jennifer Thayer is the listing agent. This home, this mansion, has been listed for $7,900,000. And I'm going to briefly go into what you get for all that money. First off, you have 100 feet of bayou waterfront, access to the Gulf, no worries about any bridges that you have to call in to get your boat, yacht, probably your mega yacht at this point, under. Next, things you would expect. An attached two-car garage, multiple space for others. This home was meant to be for gatherings. You have concrete roof because it's a newer build, so you're not going to have those issues worrying about the next storm. Your roof is set. And both stories, open floor plans, lofts, great rooms, fireplace, a lot of area for people to just congregate and enjoy. This is a home meant for Memorial Day, July 4th, Thanksgiving, Christmas. This is a wonderful opportunity just to gather. And inside, as you would expect at this price point, stone marble countertops in the kitchen. You have walk-in closets that are like Sephora when you walk in there. They're palatial when you walk inside. Place to sit, place to examine your closet to see what you're going to wear, you and your spouse. You also, as you would expect, on the water, you have a beautiful dock for your boats, probably a catamaran or a mega yacht, as well as a pool, a heated pool and a heated spa. So you have all access, all options for the water with this home. It sits on about just over a half-acre yacht. There's actually a dog run, adjacent to the property. There's just tons of options. And you also, for gathering, as I mentioned earlier, an outdoor fireplace. There's plenty you get at this home for almost $8 million. And if you're interested, as an opportunity, for example, there's no HOA. So if you're looking for opportunities to rent or just host events, and charge for it, I would at this price point. It's amazing. So as I mentioned before, Keller Williams St. Pete Realty has a beautiful $7,900,000 home. And if this is of interest to you or others, here in the Gulf Coast communities, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM, CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.